Hi, this is Carmela and welcome to Excel for Beginners. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill thousands of data from an existing data in less than a minute. It may sound crazy, but it's possible to fill up thousands or hundreds of thousands of data in just a single minute or less than a minute. We can do it by using Vlookup functions. Vlookup function provides values of data from a set of data. It's like looking for an employee's name from the list of employees using his ID number in a given database. It is provided by the syntax you vlookup, lookup value, data array, column index, and match type. So lookup value is the reference that you want to find its value, or let's say this will be our ID number. For example, this will be our ID number. Yes. The data range is the location of the data where you look up the value. This will be our database. So the column index is the location of the resulting value where it is counted from the leftmost side of the array or our database to the value that we are going to look. I will show you this later. So match type, this will the way how you perform the matching. Either it is true or false. Where true, if you want to look for the nearest match or the nearest value, where and false if you want the exact 100% match. So let's proceed with our example. So in this example, we have a sample of data here. Let's say this will be around hundreds of thousands of data. So we just represent this by 15 data. So this will be items, the price, and the unit, and this will be a have number of the items here. So let's suppose we're going to find from these thousands or hundreds of data here, we are going to find, let's say, around hundreds or thousands of data here, but this is in a random sequence. So this will be, we will going to provide data for these values. So how we are going to do that? We are going to use VLOOKUP to fill up the data. So let's proceed. So in the formula tab, we are going to write equals VLOOKUP open parentheses. As soon as we put open parentheses here in the formula, the syntax will display in front of you. So this will be VLOOKUP. The lookup value will be this one, the melon. Then comma. The next we have table array. Our table array is the database, and we have to remember that we will start our table array from the reference value. So here we click from here going right up to here, or you can go here, but we will just put up to here since this is the only data that we have. And next we have column index. Column index is counted from the leftmost of your reference. So in this case, we have our reference is the item, so we will count, and we're looking for price, so we'll count 1, 2. So we'll put 2, and then next is the match type. Our match type is the either true or false. Since we need exact match, so we will write false, or we can simply double click this one and then write close parenthesis and hit enter. So we have now a value or a price for our item melon. So let's check. So melon we have here 6. So melon we have here 6. Okay, so it's correct. So now how are you going to fill up the rest of the values? So you just have to click here and hover this one in this side, and then wait until this black plus sign to come up, and then you hold and then you drag it down, going down, or you just have to double click this one and then it will go down. The rest of the formula will go down up to your last data. So this is how you fill up thousands of data in just a single minute or less than a minute. So in this function, you can save a lot of time, a lot of energy while doing a lot of production. So thank you, and if you like this video, you can click to download below a free ebook of 20 amazing Excel functions, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click to the notification bell button so that you will be updated in the next videos that I'm going to upload. This is not just only a video, but this will be patterned and sequenced according to this book. So it's better to download the ebook and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.